Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are reading chapter number 6, School Days. Dear students, today's topic is related to our previous lecture and based on grammar. Use of past perfect continuous tense. Students, past perfect continuous tense shows an action that was going on in the past when a second action took place. It shows that one action was going on in the past while other or second action took place. Like the past perfect tense, in this tense we use had been and continuous tense of given verb, means ing verb or present participle. Participle as we use in past perfect tense. The past participle that is formed by adding ed with regular verbs and by changing irregular verbs in third form of verb, like as past participle that is formed by adding ed with regular verbs. For example, the first form of verb is cook. Second form of verb of cook is cooked, and also the third one is cooked. Students, you can see we added ed in second form of verb and also in third form of verb. These are regular verbs that are used in past participle, and in past participle we use only the third form of verb. Second one is gather, gathered, gathered. You can see the regular verbs are changing by a typical pattern by adding only ed. The third one is start, started, started. Here is written, it follows a typical or regular pattern to change by adding ed. The regular verbs are changed by typical pattern by adding ed to make second form of verb and third form of verb. Next are irregular verbs. In past participle, we also use irregular verbs. Now, what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs don't follow the regular pattern like regular verbs. Regular verbs were changing by adding ed, but irregular verbs don't change by adding ed. Like the first verb that I written here is go. The second form of verb will be went and third will be gone. In past participle, we use the only third form of verb to make it past participle. Same like the other verb is see, saw, seen. You can see here I am not adding ed. The verbs are changing completely in second form of verb and also in third form of verb. Last one is begin. It will change into began for the second form of verb, and for the third form of verb it will be begun. You can see I wrote here the irregular verbs don't follow regular patterns. They are followed by different pattern. Now come to our point of using ing verbs or present participle. Ing verbs are also called present participle. By adding ing at after each verb, it will become present participle, like eat, eating, read, reading, play, playing, help, helping. Dear students, let's come to our topic, use of had been and continuous tense of given verb. Meaning means ing verb in past perfect continuous tense. By adding ing to base form of a verb creates present participle. For example, Maria had been reading when the mischief makers staked the chairs in the shape of a pyramid around her. You can see the read is base form of verb. The present participle of read is reading. What is present participle of read? It is reading. Present participle always end in ing. There is no any typical or some different rule by to make the present participle have only a one rule of adding ing with each base form of verb, as used in example had been reading. The read was changed into reading. Let's come to our activity. Fill in the blanks using the past perfect continuous tense and the simple past tense of the verbs in the brackets. As he said, for the first action we will use had been with continuous tense verb, and for the second action we will use only the past tense as we did in our previous activity. So the first sentence is Maria dash when her siblings interrupt her. Here we will add helping verb had been and present participle reading. Maria had been reading. Read will be changed into reading. When her siblings interrupt will be changed into interrupted. Interrupted her. So the sentence will be Maria had been reading when her siblings interrupted her. Second sentence is the boarders dash sleeps soundly when the alarm clock ring. Sleep will be changed into sleeping with the use of had been, and the sentence will be the boarders had been sleeping soundly when the alarm clock rang. See the third sentence, the children dash their homework when it begin to rain heavily. Do will be changed into doing with the use of had been. The sentence will be the children had been doing their homework when it began to rain heavily. You can see I changed the begin into begin, the second form of verb. Our last sentence, Mr. Peterson dash teach at school for more than 3 years before he dash the headmaster. Mr. Peterson had been teaching at school for more than 3 years before he became the headmaster. Become will be changed into became and teach into teaching. Dear students, open the page number 32 of your workbook. Here is also written the use of we use the past perfect continuous tense to show an action that was going on in the past when a second action took place. We use the past perfect continuous tense for the action that was going on in the past and simple past tense for the second action. He is repeating the same sentences that were in your activity book. Now let's come our activity. What is he asking? Activity is A. Fill in the blanks with the past perfect continuous tense of the verbs in the brackets. He is saying to change the verbs in past perfect continuous tense. So the first sentence is Samuel was angry because he waited for an hour for Dick to show up. You can see in this activity no two joining sentences are not given. Only one sentence is given. So for the first action or the only action we will use had been with ing verb in past perfect continuous tense. So Samuel was angry because he had been waiting for an hour for Dick to show up. Second sentence, Julie was tired as she worked all day. Julie was tired as she had been working all day. We chat long before our guests arrived. We had been chatting long before our guests arrived. You can see the simple we chat long before our guests arrived. We had been chatting long before our guests arrived. The fox steals chickens from the farmer for weeks before it was caught. The fox had been stealing chicken from the farmer for weeks before it was caught. The burglar dash hang around Mandy's house for a while before he decided to break in. The burglar had been hanging around Mandy's house for a while before he decided to break in. Now students, you will learn both activities which you learned from Active English book and workbook. Also write 10 present participles in your notebook.